Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm entering a new role as a finance manager. So I'm looking to experiment with AI tools in order to become an AI-enabled finance leader. And so recently I got a Claude PRO subscription, and the reason why is because I saw this post by Stephen Bartlett, which had this visual of all of the people that have never used AI, all of the free AI users, and all of those that pay for AI, and then those that are very experienced. And so I was originally in this green area, but now I want to be in this yellow area because I think that there's a lot of value. And so I got a Claude subscription because of all of the use cases I saw of Claude within Excel. And so I want to go over the first use case that I came across, which is structuring unstructured data. So basically, over the years at my last role, I had this task tracker. This is an example of what it looked like of all of the tasks that I've done over different engagements and years. And as you can see, it's very unstructured and it looks like that for all of these different tabs. And so what I got Claude to do was I got Claude to structure the data into one consolidated file and based on different sections as well and groupings. So this was my first prompt that I put into Claude, and then it created an initial output, and after that I got it to adjust the output specifically to better describe the particular section that the task was related to. And then, as my third prompt, I got it to also add these expandable and collapsible icons, the plus minus buttons, so that I can expand or collapse each of these groupings. And so this is the final output. And after that, I asked Claude to create a repeatable, simple structure for my prompt that I can teach to others based on the three prompts above. And so it took a look at the prompts in the Claude log, which has all of my requests and those prompts above. And then it created its own structure and system, which it automatically populated in this Excel within a few minutes. And I made no edits to this, so I can share this with you in the link below and in my LinkedIn post if you find it helpful. But this is just one use case of Claude within Excel, which is extremely mind-blowing coming from an audit background where I had to manually create a lot of different Excel sheets and structure them as well, and the format is just so beautiful. Feel free to follow me along in this journey. I'll try to post different cool use cases that I find, and I hope that they are helpful for you.